Hi children, how are you all? Yes, hope all are doing well. Oh, all are good. Yes, very good. Good to hear that all are doing well. Yes, children, so tell me the things around you. Yes, we can find many things around us, isn't it? Can you name some things? Yes, name some things around you. Yes, we can see many things such as, yes, we can see plants, then we can see animals, yes, then trees, plants, animals, then only these things we can see around us. Yes, we can see many people around us. Then many other things also, right? What are they? We can see chair, table, then stones, tables, chairs, stones, then tell me what all things you can see around you. Cars, bus, then many things we can see around us like this, isn't it? Yes. Then rivers, lakes, we can see sun, moon, star. So many things are there that we can see around us. So some things among this are made by man. So which are the things that made by man, Yes, chairs, tables, car, bus. These are the things that made by man. So the things that are made by man, they are actually we called as man-made things. Things that are made by man. Chairs, table, car, bus, rocket. So there are many things made by man. So the things that are made by man, they are called as man-made things. Okay. Of these things, some things you can see like rivers, lakes, sun, moon, star, mountains. Some things, they exist in nature. Sun, moon, star, they all exist in nature. So they are called as natural things. Natural things. Because they are in the nature, they exist in nature. So they are called as natural things, and some things are like chairs, tables, cars, rocket, bus. These things are made by man. So these things are called as man-made things. Yes. And there are some things that have life. The things that have life, like plants, animals, trees, human beings, we all have life. So things that have life, they are called as living things. Living things are things that has life. Things that have life. Plants, animals, trees, we human beings, we all have life. So these things are called as living things, the things that have life. And the stones, this rock or chair, table, the sun, moon, whatever, many things, they don't have any life, isn't it? So the things that do not have life, they are non-living things. Non-living things, because they don't have life. Things that have life, they are living things. The things that do not have life, they are non-living things. So today we are going to learn about the things that have life and things that do not have life, means living and non-living things. So today our topic is living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Non-living things. things that have life are living things. Things that do not have life are non-living things. And this is lesson number 12. Yes, so we learn more about living things and non-living things. Okay children, so time to warm up. Some things are alive, others are not alive but were once, and some things were never alive. Some things are alive, means they have life, and some things are there which do not have life. Living things have basic needs such as air, water, food and shelter if they are to survive. If we need to survive, to live here in this world, to survive we need water, we need food, we need air to breathe. Isn't it? Yes. So all living things need that. Plants, animals, people, all of them need water. They need food. They need air. Different animals have different characteristics that help them to survive. So different animals, they have different features. All animals are not the same. Plants require water and nutrients to grow. Plants, they need water to grow. They also need nutrients to grow. They should get the nutrients from the soil. Then they can grow. They grow nicely. It promotes the growth. So they need water and nutrients. We also need good food rich in nutrients to grow. We children and we eat good food like milk, meat, fish, egg, vegetables, fruits. So these are the food that contains nutrients which help us to grow. Same like that, plants also need water and also need nutrients. Nutrients for plants means what? It is there in the soil. Soil should be good. Soil quality should be good. Then only the plants can grow nicely. Yes. Time to know. The world around us is filled with variety of things. Yes. Already I told you. Around us there are different things. Variety of things. Many things. They can be classified into two categories. So we can separate them into two, living and non-living. Yes, living things means plants, animals, people. These are all living things. Yes, you can see the images here. People, animals, plants. These are all living things. Now coming to non-living things. Non-living things, there are again two. Man-made things and natural things. Man-made things, natural things. These both are non-living things. They both are non-living things. Man-made things are the things that made by man. Rocket, car, bus, chair, table. These are all made by man. So they are all man-made things. Then natural things means that exist in nature, like mountains, rivers, sun, moon, star. They are in the nature. They exist in nature. So they are natural things. Man-made things and natural things, they both are non-living things. First we will learn about living things. Okay? Yes, so living things. First we are going to learn about living things, its features or its characteristics, or what are living things. We are surrounded by living and non-living things. Yes, we are surrounded by living and non-living things. Around us we can see many living things and we can see non-living things also. Book is a non-living thing. Chair, table, bottle, chalk, board. These are all non-living things. We are living things. Our pet like dog, cat, they are living things. Plants, trees, they are living things. All animals and plants are living things. Yes. And biology is a study of these living things. So what is biology? What do you mean by biology? Biology means study of living things. To study about plants and animals. Now that is actually biology, study of the living things. A cat playing with a ball. Cat is playing with a ball. Here cat is a living thing. What about ball? It is a non-living thing, isn't it? NL means non-living thing, L means living thing. So cat is a living thing, ball is a non-living thing. Then a pigeon flying from tree to tree is also a living thing. Pigeon. Pigeon is a bird flying from tree to tree. Tree to tree. So pigeon is a living thing. Tree is also a living thing. Living things grow and reproduce. Yes. The main feature is living things, they grow. They grow and reproduce. Living things grow and reproduce. Means what? Living things can grow. We are growing, no? You were very small ones. When you were born, you were like a baby. You were a baby when you born, isn't it? Small baby. Then afterwards, slowly you grown. Now you are a big child. You are in second class, isn't it? Yes. Then next year you will go to third class. So you are growing. Your age is increasing. You are growing. To grow, you are eating food, drinking water. So living things grow. Plants, trees, animals all grow and reproduce. Reproduce means they have the ability to produce the young ones. Women give birth to a baby. Then animals give birth to the young ones, small babies. Dog babies, puppy, isn't it? Cat also give rise to baby. Dog give rise to young one. All animals give rise to young one. Cow, calf, goat, kid. Yes. Yeah. So from a small seed. From small seed grows into a plant, and plant then grows into a tree, isn't it? So this is the growth and reproduction, isn't it? Seed reproduce to plant, then to tree. It is growing, and some animals like reproduce by laying eggs. Hens lay egg. From egg you can see small chicks are coming out. So hen give rise to baby, isn't it? That is called reproduce. Humans and animals produce young ones through various methods. Yes, human beings, women give birth to a baby. Yes. Then animals also reproduce. Means they produce babies. Some animals lay eggs, and from that new baby forms. Then plants also have ability to reproduce through seeds. Through seed, plants produce, or through stem, through seeds, new plant comes out. After a period of time, all living things mature and die. At last what happens? After growing and growing and growing, they becomes mature. Then after that they all die. Human beings, when they become old, after becoming old, then afterwards they die. Plants also, trees also, animals also. When they become mature, when they become old, then they die. Sometimes it is not easy to decide. Plants are living things, but they do not play with balls or fly. Plants are living things, but they cannot play with a ball, or they cannot fly. Plants are living things, but they cannot fly, they cannot play with a ball. Just like cat is playing with a ball. Cat is a living thing. Plant is also a living thing, but they cannot play, or they cannot fly. Birds can fly. Pigeons, they fly from tree to tree. Like that, plants cannot fly, but plants is a living thing. Plant is a living thing because it grows. It needs water to live. It grows. So and it produce new plants from the seed, from the stem. So that is the reason plant is a living thing. If something is living, it will carry out all of the 7 activities shown below. Yes, if something is a living thing, then it should show all these features. So let us see what are the features or characteristics of a living thing. There are 7 characteristics of living things. So we can say there are 7 features of living things. So which are they? First one is feeding. The first one is feeding. Feeding means what? Yeah, mother feed the baby, animal feed the babies, the young ones, they give food. Then breathing or respiration. Breathing or respiration. Breathing, we all breathe. So living things breathe. All living things breathe. First one, feeding, means we need food to live. We eat food, we drink water. Then second, breathing, we all breathe. Human beings breathe through nose. We breathe like this. Animals also breathe. They need air to breathe. Fish breathe through gills, we say. On the body itself, there are gills through which fish breathe. Plants also breathe. We also breathe. So, living things breathe. Growth. Yes, that's just growth. We all grow, isn't it? Because we are eating food, we grow, plants grow, animals grow. Reproduction. Yes. Living things grow and reproduce. Reproduction. Living things produce babies. They produce young ones. Movement. Living things move from one place to another. We can move, we walk and we move from one place to another. Animals also move. We jump, we move, we walk, we dance, we move. But what about plants? They cannot move from one place to another, but they are also showing some movement. Have you seen sunflower plant? Sunflower plant, you know, when there is sun, where the sun rays are there, sunflower, it turn towards that direction where the sun is. Means it is showing some movement. Sunflower plant, it turns towards sun, where the sun is, to that direction sunflower plant moves. Means it is showing some movement like this. Sun is in which direction, to that direction sunflower moves. That means it is moving. You know, touch me not plant, touch me not. When we touch it, what happens? It closes its leaves. When we touch, it closes. Then after some time, it opens. If again we touch, again it closes its leaves like this. So, it is showing some movement. So, in that way, plants showing some movement. We move, animals move, plants also show some movement. Then excretion. The next feature is excretion. Excretion means, yes, the separation of or expelling the waste, we say. Waste is eliminated. Waste is going from an organism. We go to washroom. So we are passing the urine there. We are passing our waste there. So after eating food and all, yes, after it got digested in the stomach, then yes, it's living things, they excrete, means they separate the waste from the body. Waste should go from the body, like urine and when we are going to washroom, latrine and all, the waste is going off. Animals also do that. Plants also. Then plants means animals also they expel the waste. Then sensitivity. What do you mean by sensitivity? Sensitivity means, yes, if any thorn pricks us, we feel pain, isn't it? Rose plant has thorn. Suppose by mistake our finger touched it, means what happens? Thorn pricks and we feel pain. That is sensitivity. If we touch a hot object, suddenly we take our hand, means we feel hot. When we go out in the sun at noon time, afternoon times, so we feel so hot. So that is sensitivity. So we have sensation. So living things have sensation or sensitivity, we say. Sensitivity. Sensitivity. We respond. Living things have sensitivity, we say. If more light is there, then we automatically we close our eyes if light falls on ice. So that is sensitivity. Touching hot objects, suddenly taking the hand, sensitivity. When thorn pricks us, we feel pain. Yes, when we go out in the sun, we feel hot. These are called sensitivity. Yes, so these are the 7 features of a living thing. Okay?